Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this is about another exciting expert advisor video. This is a completely new video. I mean, the video is new, of course, but it is about the new expert advisor too. Uh, this is the first video that I'm creating it on. Okay, so from 16th of April, it's been like how much? 6 weeks. This is about an expert advisor which is very stable in the forex market so far, and however providing the profitability is little lesser, but yes, the trading frequency is very less. So it might suit for people like who are looking for very less trades but accurate trades. Okay, profitability might be less, but yes, more accurate trades. So guys, like we are trading 4 pairs, but yes, not all the time. Okay, we are trading 4 pairs, and the minimum recommendation, and this is one for the smallest equity, right? One can trade with around 100 to 150 per pair, but I started with 300 per pair. Okay, so 100 to 150 per pair you can also trade, but yes, I am starting with 300 per pair. That is for 4 pair 1200. That I started with. Okay, there are not much trades. Like if you can just see, if you just see on this, right, on 16, then 17, then 18, then 19, then 23, then 24, then 25. I mean, see how less the trades are, right? Then 13, 14, then I mean, see. So this is 1 month history, and we completed it in just a few seconds. We just made 44.42% in 6 weeks. That sounds pretty less, right? But yes, so, and these are the running trades right now. There are 2 Australian dollar trade and 2 Euro USD trade. Okay, let's go to myfxbook of this expert advisor too. So here is the myfxbook page. Okay, so you can see the maximum drawdown in last 6 weeks is 1.16%, and the monthly is around 2.92%. Okay, this is the growth graph, this is the balance graph, this is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph. Okay, okay, and these are the statistics, and I will be happy to share this myfxbook link in the video description too, and you can analyze this as well. Just 43 trades in 6 weeks, and longs won 88%, shorts won 93%. The profit factor is 7.55. That is very good. Okay, and this is the monthly. Like in April we made 2.43. In May it's another like few days still left. So far we made 1.25, and all the analysis is also there. Monthly 2.92%, and drawdown, the maximum drawdown is 1.16%. Okay, so in case if you have any question about this expert advisor or any expert advisor videos in my YouTube channel, please you can please watch, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please explore other expert advisor videos that I have included in my YouTube channel. So if you have any question about any of them, feel free to contact me by email or Telegram. I have included both of these contact details in the video description. I will include the myfxbook link of this expert advisor in the video description too. And feel free to contact me if you have any question, and I would be happy if I can help anyhow. And with this expert advisor or with this video, I'm not recommending you to trade forex. Forex trading is very risky. It is just I'm sharing it across something interesting that I found. If you find it interesting, do your trading on your own risk, on your own, after due diligence. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Feel free to explore other expert advisor videos, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as please join my Telegram channels too. You will find them helpful, and I do not post very frequently, so I post don't quite often. So you might get some help, or at least you will not get bothered with multiple notification very frequently. Okay, so thanks for watching, and thanks for my subscriber, thanks for being my subscriber, and thanks for joining my Telegram channel all in advance, in case if you haven't joined yet. So that's pretty much it, guys. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Bye.